So today didn't call for rain, did some cleaning, metal salvage, and it's now 5 o'clock, a little later than I thought I'd get started, but it's a windy day too. But I pulled back the aluminum, I got it weighted down pretty good, so it shouldn't get away from us, and for me. And I was looking at the, this is what I cleaned out. That's where all the damage was. So I went through and pulled a few more nails, made a little bit more sawdust and chips. So I'm gonna now clean that out. And then I need to start figuring out how I'm gonna fill it with some good wood. So I got some up here. I'll get some measurements, get some more, and start filling it in. So what I plan on doing, I did order another gallon of the Geico, which actually dropped in price a little bit. So with shipping and everything, it's like $115, maybe 14 with taxes and shipping. So I'll once I get that, I can pull this back up, finish laying in whatever I need. If I can, I'd like to get this all filled in today. That way I can nail the aluminum back and then put this back over top. When I say the aluminum, I mean the